Hi, I'm David Womanelski from Troop 159. For my Eagle project, I'm going to be building a little free library. I will be working with the Park District to build one of the little free libraries at one of the Park District parks. This will help the beneficiary by providing an area where visiting families can check out a book. For my little free library, I'm going to be building a normal size. Not sure how many I might be building. I need to talk with the Park District about that. But it's going to be a normal size with one door. The types of materials I might be needing to complete this project would be wood, nails, plexiglass, hinges, handles, paint, roof shingles. The estimated cost for this materials will be between $150 to $250. The tools I would be needing would be a saw, hammer, screwdrivers, tape measure, and some clamps. To cover the cost, I will raise money by asking family and friends. I will also ask someone at the Arlington Heights Rotary Club for a donation. My plan is to have 2 work days, 1 day to build and 1 day to stain the wood. I might need a total of 4 scouts for my project. My dad offered his warehouse to build the project. Some extra supplies I will provide will be face masks, gloves, snacks, drinks, and water. Thank you. Are there any questions?